welcome back all to the news channel of Miriam Sugla Petoen School. I'm Tenzin Datom and I'm pleased to read the news headlines to you. So without any further ado, let's dive in. A model-based project exhibition. Observance of International Yoga Day. Buddhist philosophical debate. The half-yearly exam. Annual Parent-Teacher Association meeting. Math and Science Relay event. Second Teachers Professional Development Day. Sing a Song event. Tibetan poem recitation. Inter-school literary and cultural meet at TCB Gopalpur. 18th Foundation Day of our school. Plays in English. Samdon Buche's 84th birth anniversary. Most awaited school cultural show. Skits and poems in Hindi. Teachers' Day celebration.
Hi, my name is Tinzi Girme. I am from class 6A. On 21st June, under the guidance of Social Science Committee, the students from classes 6 to 8 participated in Social Science exhibition, wherein various projects and models prepared by them related to the subjects were showcased as a part of the project-based learning methodology. Thank you.
On 21st June 2023, the school observed International Yoga Day under the guidance of the school's physical education teacher, Mr. Ngong Prabhu. To mark the day and to celebrate the importance of yoga, all the students and teachers of the school participated in a mass yoga display during the morning assembly. It was such a relaxing and refreshing moment for all to be part of this celebration. This is Enzin Losil from class 5B reporting for the school news.
The School Culture Committee organized a Buddhist philosophy debate on 1st July 2023. With the participations from the classes 4 to 6, the event was graced by the chief guest, Mrs. Tenzin Pema, the Additional Secretary, DOE Education Council, with the presence of the school principal, the staffs and the students. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Chiki and I'm from class 6B. Exam plays a crucial role in the learning process of students. It not only tests the knowledge and understanding of the subject, but also helps the students to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Our school has conducted half-yearly exam for the students of classes 4 to 8 and second periodic test for the students of class 9 and 10 on 18th of July, which lasted till 28th of July. The exam was conducted under the proper guidance of our school's exam committee. As usual, the teaching staffs were put on the duty to examine the fairly conduct of the paper. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tinzi Yangi. This year, the school had the privilege to host the annual PTA meeting in our school hall on 29 July. It was attended by our Honorable Education Kalu Mrs. Changra Thalam Juma, the Director of Sambuddha Tibetan School Society, Mr. Tsiring Tunjup, the Headmaster of TTS, the President and member of PTA Committee, along with teachers, staff, students and their parents. The Education Kalu delivered a meaningful speech to parents and they also had some hour-long discussions over school-related issues. The director of STSS then gave speech to teachers, students and their parents. We thank the honored guests for their time and support. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Nonzin. I'm from class 6B. On 19th of August, Science and Math Committee has organized Science and Math release in our school where students had participated joyfully. The primary objective of organizing such release in our school is to give students an opportunity to participate featuring knowledge, ability, speed and creativity. It also aims to give recognition to such students who are talented and skillful in one or more of the many different areas of mathematics and science. The event was concluded by our school principal sir, honoring certificate of the best performer to the best participant only to raise the morale of the students to lift the spirits of the participant. Thank you.
Hello, I am Tenzin Daekyong. On 29 July 2023, our school TPT committee organized the second Teacher Professional Development Meeting where teachers enthusiastically shared and exchanged their learning and experience in their distinct fields of study. Every teacher acquired at least one new lesson from their colleagues on that TPT day. Thank you.
The School Sing-a-Song event in English for the academy year 2023 was organized by the school's English committee on the 29th of August, during which all the students from classes 4 to 7 took part. The students sang and performed on a total number of 9 English songs. It was such a joy watching them in colorful dresses performing happily on the stage in front of such a big gathering. This is Tenzin Digi from class 5B reporting from Petoen school. Thank you.
So my name is Tenzin Legden. Reciting poems is one of the best ways to learn how to express one's emotions and to develop your education skills. The Tibetan committee of the school organized a poemization event on 16 September 2023 with students from grade 4 to grade 6. It evoked a strong feeling of responsibility towards our Tibetan language and soothed our troubles for some time. Thank you all.
As per the invitation received by our school from the Department of Education, 28 students along with 2 escort teachers led the students to TCB Gopalpur for the Literary and Cultural Meet of 2023. The meet has significantly exposed students to the challenges and opportunities which develop their confidence and enrich their knowledge. Overall, the meet has greatly benefited all the schools and students who participated in it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tenzin Sayang. On 10th October 2023, our school celebrated its 18th anniversary by performing a variety of Tibetan dance and reciting poems in the presence of Tibetan local settlement officer, Mr. Kuncho Mingmar, PTS Community Vice President, Mr. Ngao Chandel, TTS Headmaster, Mr. Gelik Wangil, our honorable school principal, the learned teachers, hardworking staffs, and our loving students. Everybody felt proud to be a part of community then. I sincerely would like to thank all the students and teachers who made this event possible. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kamaching Gyatu. Today I would like to share some information about an English event called Plays in English. All the students from class 8 to 10 performed 5 plays in total on 21 October 2023 in the school hall. The event was more than a success, and it not only entertained the audience but taught everyone the importance of acting. Thank you to the hardworking student and passionate teacher. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Samta Chiran. In the morning of 4th November 2023, our school humbly celebrated 84th birth anniversary of His Eminence Samdor Rinpoche. As he stepped into the school hall filled with teachers, staff, students and their families, the atmosphere became peaceful and loving. He appreciated the teachers and students who presented Tibetan dialectics. His visit to our school has given us immense hope and encouragement to study diligently and happily. Thank you, Samdor Rinpoche, for your precious time and a profound speech. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tenzin Sundu. In the afternoon of 4 November, our school presented the annual cultural show performed by almost all students. The show was attended by the Chief Guest of Honor, Secretary of DOE, Mr. Jingme Namgyal, the Director of STSS, Mr. Tsiring Thundup, the school principal and headmistress with the hundreds of parents eager to enjoy the show. While students entertained the guests and viewers, the teacher and staff sold out arts and crafts products and food and drinks to the viewer. Overall, the day was filled with joy and excitement for all the attendees. Thank you.
In the afternoon of Saturday, the 23rd of September, classes 6 to 8 students took part in Hindi poetry recitation and drama under the guidance of the school Hindi language teacher Mrs. Kiran Thapa. The whole auditorium was filled with the sound of laughter and applause as the audience watched the performance of the students in their attractive costume displaying their characters perfectly on stage. This is Tenzin Losel from Class 5A reporting for the school news.
On the 5th of September, Teachers' Day was celebrated in school, organized by the senior students of the school and led by the school captains to express their gratitude to all the teachers and staff. Various activities like games and dance performance were organized throughout the day to celebrate the day. In the evening of 2nd September, the parents of the students, under the guidance of school's PTA, also organized a gala dinner for the teachers and staff to mark Teachers' Day and to express their gratitude. There were many songs and dance performances by the parents too. This is Tenzin Dendra from Class 5A reporting for the school news.
Thank you very much to all the news reporters. I wish all of you will have health, humility and happiness. With that, let's end this news edition here. Thank you and see you all next time.